Welcome to the Retro Cars Quiz. Can you name the make and model of 20 iconic vintage cars just from their photos? Test your knowledge and see how well you know these legendary automobiles. Let's start with round 1. Is this car A. Hillman Californian, 1953, B. Ford Granada Ghia, 1982, C. Skoda 1202, STW, 1961, D. Wartburg Knight, 353, 1966. You've probably already figured out this car is B. Ford Granada Ghia, 1982. Round 2. Is this car A. Vauxhall Victor 1960, B. Trabant P601S 1964, C. Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 1960, D. Mazda B1500 Pickup 1961. You've probably already figured out this car is A. Vauxhall Victor 1960. Round 3. Is this car A. Subaru 1000 1966, B. Prince R 380 1966, C. Honda T 360 Pickup 1963, D. Kaiser Dragon 1953. You've probably already figured out this car is D. Kaiser Dragon 1953. Round 4. Is this car A. Mitsubishi Minica 1962, B. Isuzu Wasp Pickup 1963, C. Datsun 520 Truck 1965, D. Plymouth Scamp 1971. You've probably already figured out this car is D. Plymouth Scamp 1971. Round 5. Is this car A. Nissan Junior 40, 1956, B. Standard Pennant, 1957, C. Willys Aero Wing, 1952, D. Austin, a 70 Hampshire, 1948. You've probably already figured out this car is D. Austin, a 70 Hampshire, 1948. Round 6. Is this car A. 1969 Datsun Fairlady 2000, B. Alvis Speed 20, 1932, C. Fafil Vega HK 500, 1958, D. Renault Juva Quattro -1937. You've probably already figured out this car is A. 1969 Datsun Fairlady 2000. Round 7th. Is this car A. Honda Accord Hatchback 1977, B. Panhard Dyna Jr. 1952, C. Citroën 15.6 H 1947, D. Jaguar XK 120 Fixed Head Coupe 1951. You've probably already figured out this car is A. Honda Accord Hatchback 1977. Round 8. Is this car A. Rolls-Royce Phantom Phi 1959. B. Maserati Quattroporte 3, 1981. C. Bentley S1 Continental, 1955. D. Ford Prefect 107E, 1959. You've probably already figured out this car is B. Maserati Quattroporte 3, 1981. Round 9th. Is this car A. Ginetta G12, 1965, B. Crosley Hotshot, 1950, C. Bonbug 700, ES, 1969, D. Reliant Kitten Saloon, 1969. You've probably already figured out this car is B. Crosley Hotshot, 1950. Round 10th. Is this car A. Jowett Javelin 1947, B. Alfa Romeo 1900 SS 1954, C. Sunbeam Venezia 1963, D. Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 1966. You've probably already figured out this car is D. Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 1966. 11th round. Is this car A. Triumph, Italia 2000, 1959, B. Austin, a 30 Saloon, 1951, C. Jaguar D-Type, 1954, D. Dodge Monaco Brougham, 1974. You've probably already figured out this car is D. Dodge Monaco Brougham, 1974. 12th round. Is this car A. Ford Courier Sedan Delivery 1957, B. MG TF 1500, 1954, C. Renault Florid S, 1962, D. Ford Thunderbird, 1955. You've probably already figured out this car is A. Ford Courier Sedan Delivery 1957. 13th round. Is this car A. Volkswagen 1500 Notchback 1961, B. Mitsubishi Tredia 1983, C. Peugeot 403 Cabriolet 1956, D. Citroën DS 19 Palace 1964. You've probably already figured out this car is B. Mitsubishi Tredia 1983. 14th round. Is this car A. Daimler Majestic Major, 1958, B. 1962, Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, C. Ferrari 250 California, 1957, D. Maserati Sebring, 1962. You've probably already figured out this car is B. 1962, Oldsmobile Dynamic 88. 15th round. Is this car A. Aston Martin DB2/4 1957, B. Lancia Aurelia B24 Spider 1954, C. Peugeot 504 Coupe 1978, D. Fiat 124 Sport Coupe 1967. You've probably already figured out this car is C. Peugeot 504 Coupe 1978. Share your score in the comments and let us know how you did on the quiz. We'd also love to hear any suggestions you have for future car quizzes. Don't miss out on the next Classic Car Challenge. Subscribe to our channel now.